your dogs.
Had to. No, they're all right. They escaped. All right. The good thing is, they have no idea about the other stuff. Yeah.
We've got to go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really sorry.
There was loads of other animals, like lizards and iguanas. They're in. Hello, darling. How are you? You're good?
Yes.
Are you cold? Your fingers are cold? You're cold. You must go home and get warm. Are you cold?
Yeah.
You're cold. You must go home and get warm. You all have matching shorts and stuff.
Yeah, it's our school uniform.
Oh.
They go to school.
I don't go to school anymore. They didn't want me. They asked me to leave. It was very kind of them, I thought. How do you do? How do you do? Hello back there. How are you?
Good, yourself?
I'm all right. Where am I? Where am I? I have no idea. How do you do?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm all right. I'm hanging in there. How do you do? How do you do? Ooh!
Tyler?
You're wearing blue. You're wearing blue. There's blue. Blue everywhere. How are you? Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Everything all right? Are you cold? Are you cold?
Yes.
You must get warm. Have you eaten your dinner yet? You must have your dinner. How long have you been here?
Like an hour.
What?
An hour.
An hour? Oh, it's time for dinner. Bye-bye. Nice to meet you. Pleasure.
Guys, thanks for waiting. Thank you very much. Thanks for waiting.
Thank you so much. Thank you for waiting. Thank you. Hi, how are you? How are you doing, darling?
We're just going to shake hands, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna try this.